Pinasang Taiwanese star at F4 member na si Ken Zhu. Sasamahan kasi niya si Iza Calzado at iba pang co-stars sa pagpopromote ng pelikula nilang Batanes. Nag-enjoy raw si Ken Zhu sa pag-shoot ng pelikulang Batanes. Sa aking panayam, ikinuwento ni Ken na bukod sa beach lover siya, masaya rin daw katrabaho si Iza Calzado at iba pang Pilipinong artista.
I remember the thing when she found me on the beach. And she has to drag me.
Hirap ako, sabi ko pa naman, akala ko malakas ako. Kahit hindi, sabi niya, you have to work out. Ginagano niya pa ako. Kaya i-reduce me again. Kwento ni Iza, nung una, tinatansya pa niya ang ugali ni Ken. Pero madali naman daw silang naging at ease sa set dahil mahilig manukso ang Taiwanese actor. Nagustuhan din daw nito ang ilang pagkain Pinoy, gaya ng kamote Q.
One day, they just bring this whole plate and just everyone starts. Nobody could stop. You know, I have to hold my right hand. No, you should stop.
So Ken, you're going to be back here more often to the Philippines?
Yeah, I do look forward to have another project in here again. I think it's a very nice environment to work in, actually.
Kaninang hapon, pinapanood na sa ilang miyembro ng media ang Batanes. Kasama rin sa press preview sina Iza at Ken.